One of the questions people are going to ask is, you mentioned the Kurds just then. Who's killing the Kurds? The Turks. Who are our allies? The Turks. Are we really happy to be in alliance with the Turks as they kill the very people who are making the greatest impact, far greater impact than the Americans, on ISIS on the ground?
Well, as your question rightly points out, John, this is a very complex and bloody civil war that has killed over 200,000 people, that has led half the population of Syria to flee their homes. 4 million have fled the country. What we are all agreed on is that ISIL Daesh represents a particular threat.
Yeah, that's an easy thing to say. That's a very easy thing to say. But it's far harder to defend the fact that some of our allies are killing the very people that are killing ISIS. But let me put it to you this way too. It is speculated very strongly that if the Raqqa capital of ISIS is ever to be captured, it'll probably be taken by the ground troops of who? President Assad, because he has the most coherent force knocking around in Syria. Happy to back that too, are you?
I want to see, John, an end to the Syrian civil war. The only way that is going to happen, as you well know, is for there to be a negotiated settlement. The Vienna meetings have taken place twice now. There is the beginnings of the outline of a peace process. I am really anxious that we get a ceasefire, because the vast majority of people who have died in Syria have died at the hands of President Assad, who decided to respond to his people asking for more freedom and an end to people being locked up and disappearing in prisons forever, never to be seen again. Right. I want that to be brought to an end.